The dilemma of a toilet in the Recon Campervan. Well, the great folks at Recon Campers let me in on this tip, and it is the go-to toilet. This is the kit, go anywhere toilet, excuse me. So that kit includes the waste bag with chemicals that deodorize and break down human waste into just regular waste so you can throw it out. It also includes a Ziplock bag, some toilet paper, and hand sanitizing wipes. And the plastic is biodegradable. It's safe for landfills, but yeah, I'm not a fan of plastic, but it is a solution when on the road, especially in these COVID times. So the toilet sits on a tripod. It has 3 legs. They're very sturdy, snap into place. They won't fall down. Then it also has a lid that snaps into place. And that lid on the hinges can also come off. So then what I do is I keep a bag in the mesh bag of the toilet just to have it with the toilet. And when I set things up, I'll put the waste bag here around there, lock it into place with the toilet lid. But below the waste bag, I'll put the throwaway bag. And so I have that all together, so I'm not looking for it when the time comes. So this is the kit. You could look for it on the internet, do a search for Go Anywhere toilet by Clean Waste. So where would it, well, here you go. This is where you can put it. When stealth camping at 3 in the morning, it comes in really handy. What you have to do is put that passenger seat all the way forward. You first have to take the headrest off, and then you can put it all the way forward, and this fits right into there. You'll have to sit down and use it, but men, at least there's a toilet at 3 in the morning when stealth camping. So I hope you found this helpful. Enjoy. Take care.